Hello, my name is Isaac Hernandez Valdez, and I'm going to explain the last chemistry class. We have the experiment ion clock, and in this class we do the chemical clock. Is a form to say it. The purpose of this practice is to the reaction is to be established. It is involved determination of the order of the reaction. We do each different with two reactants as well as the determination of the rate, a constant of particular temperatures. Also, this is a chemical probe because the reaction where the concentration of one of the chemical compounds undergoes and above the change in the concentration after a time period and leads to change something in his composition. In this case, change the color. The ion I2 undergo the sonic concentration change and change the color in a blue color in a certain period of time. It depends in the concentration and the time that you that you change this. Also, the chemical equation of this is iron plus starch is equals iron plus starch complex, that in this case is iron but the color is blue. Well, also there are several variations of these equations of the Crookes reaction, and the time is different because this depends in the concentration of the iron the ironite that we put in the reaction, and also the solution of sodium bisulfite that we also add to the reaction. In this case, we have one, two, and three different reactions that in some cases have different times due to the fact we change the composition of the reaction. In one of them we put more solution, and in others we put less solution, and the time is different. The first equation, the time is 4 minutes. The second equation, the time is around 8 minutes, and the third equation, the time is around 15 minutes. Thank you very much, and see you the other video.
Well, let me talk about the practice redox reactions and electrical cells. The objective of this was understand that the oxidation and reduction is observe, record, and be able to write the semi-reactions, analyze operations in the braid analyzer. This practice was divided in three experiments. The first one was to make drops on two different components, one with a positive charge and the other with a negative charge, in order to perform a reduction oxidation type reaction. The second practice was to create a braid analyzer using a balloon and cotton with ethanol to simulate the breath of a person who has consumed an alcoholic beverage. When the balloon was deflated, we noticed how the gas turned blue. The last practice was to perform electrochemical cells with different objects and measure the voltage. In this way, we realized how the voltage changed according to the material used.